Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix Invoices. Today, we're going to learn how to customize invoices in Wix. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. Here, go to More Actions and select Update Invoice Settings. Here, you'll be able to customize your invoice by section, starting with the header details. So click this arrow button. And here you'll have the option to set your document name and number, add your logo, and select which header fields you'd like to display. So customize these according to your needs and preferences. Let's now move on to the business info section. The information here comes from your business info settings. So when you first created your Wix site, you had to input your business info settings. But if in case you'd like to update your business info settings, you can do that here on the settings of your dashboard. Anyway, you can also add custom fields if you want to provide additional info about your business, like a tax ID or website URL. Once we're done with that, let's move on to the tax display section. So choose how to show tax on this invoice. You can tick the checkbox, and you can also see the immediate difference here on the right. So feel free to select which you'd like to display on your invoice. Now let's go to payments received. You can either show or hide transaction details. So this includes payment date, payment method, and the amount paid. And finally, we have the footer notes. So leave notes or terms for your customers that will appear at the bottom over here of each invoice. Click on edit if you want to edit your notes and terms. So once you're done, you'll actually see a preview of it or a preview of your invoice here on the right. Make sure to review everything to ensure that you didn't miss anything. Once everything looks good and fine, click on Save over here to save your changes. There you have it. Your changes should be saved successfully. And that's it. We hope you found this video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.